Hello everybody, welcome to our market report. So today we're Monday, November 7, 2011. Well, on the markets, really, we have the markets are volatile, but we just want to bring to your attention that we are at the moment having a widespread movement in the rare earth metal stocks. For example, if you look at the market vector of the rare earth, the ETF that followed the rare earth stocks, you see that it is on the move right now at the moment. It is gaining 2.24%. So a continuity of the upward trend, as you can see here with this line. So, of course, a lot of stocks are, technically speaking, good buying technical signals. We have, for example, Multicore, which is not a buying technical signal yet because Multicore didn't break through its resistance, as you can see here with this line. But in the intraday, to be able to day trade Multicore, it is an ideal stock. Of course, you had this point here where Multicorp here reverted its downward trend. But even if here it was kind of risky to enter, but that was a good point to enter. But also, I would say that the most ideal point to enter on Multicorp, it was when Multicorp broke through its sideways formation around here. For Multicorp, you were able to get in. Right now the stock is stabilizing, so if ever the stock makes the next push on the upside, well then if you entered here, you'll be able to sell it at 42.50. So if you entered at 42.50, you'll be able, of course, to make some money on Multicorp and day trading. For swing traders, people who like to buy for the next couple of days, well then we have some stocks, of course, that stand out. We have Avalon Rare Metals, AVL, on the TSX stock exchange. The stock is in the move at the moment. You see the volumes also, and you see that Avalon Rare Metals broke through its downward trend. The downward trend is the line here that I'm tracing at the moment. The stock broke through also a sideways formation. We have also Rare Element Resources, which is on the move. You see, this is an upward trend on the shorter term. This is a sideways formation, and the stock is spiking up at the moment. And look at the volumes, which are also increasing. That shows you really there's a wave of buyers who are supporting the stock. And look at in the intraday chart for that stock here. You see that after the push of this morning and the afternoon, the stock was able to gain some ground. But right now, it's stabilizing. So, of course, to be able to enter for today, to buy it at this price and to be able to hold it for the next few days to come, we should make some money on that stock if ever you expect that the markets could continue on the upside. So, of course, we never know which directions the market can take, but technically speaking, at the moment, those stocks are moving. So, Rare Element Resources, Crest Rare Minerals, again, with its upward trend, a sideways formation that it broke through. So, an ideal entry point here for Crest Rare Minerals. We also have Neo Minerals, which was in a breakout here. So, this stock moved earlier than the other stocks I've showed you earlier. So, Neo Materials Technologies was in a breakout here. We also have Frontier Rare Earths that was in a breakout here. So the stocks only continue its movement after this breakout here. And we have some stocks, of course, who have not yet started a bullish cycle, but are worth to watch. For example, Tasman Metals, TSM, on the venture market is really actually testing its resistance. So our next push on the upside here will be a go for Tasman Metals. Great Western Mining, same scenario. Quantum Rare Earth Development, QRE, on the venture market is also trading. Is also nice to follow. CCE on the venture market, Commerce Resources, and Rare Earth Metals. So also you have all the list here. Those are all the tickers that you can see to be able, of course, to shop around. Of course, those three stocks here are all the ones who are actually in a breakout, and those four here, the rest here are stocks, of course, worth to watch because they are in a sideways formation. So, folks, that's all we got for you for our market report. See you next week for another market report on decisionplus.com. And don't forget to look at us on facebook.com/decisionplus to be able, of course, to chat with us and also to like us, to have a conversation and share some trading tips. To learn more about us, go to decisionplus.com on the section free trial to try marketguru.tv.